Hey guys, so in this video, I will show you how to use the P2P features of 7SPIDERS. So first, you need to transfer your funds from withdrawal wallet to Spider wallet. Okay, so you'll see that I have my withdrawal wallet balance of 22. So to transfer that, I need to transfer it first from withdrawal wallet to Spider wallet. Okay, so this is how you do it. Click the menu, go on to transaction, transfer main to Spider wallet. Okay, so now you need your transaction password. Alright, then only whole amount can be transferred. So just type in the whole amount and then click fund transfer. Alright, then it's done. Go onto your dashboard and see if your balance is already on Spider wallet. It has reflected now, so the next thing is to transfer this to your downlines or any member through their IDs. Okay, so just click P2P wallet transfer. Alright, then on beneficiary ID, paste the ID and then the amount. 22. Okay, so there is an OTP required here, so just click that. Alright, so the OTP will be sent onto your email address. So here it is, 42588. 42588, and then click fund transfer. Alright, so that's it guys, transferred successfully. Simple as that. So that's how you transfer your balance or funds using P2P. Okay, so that's how you do it. Very simple, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye bye.